They're the eyes in the sky, the flying robots we call drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles were originally designed for military use in reconnaissance missions, or targeting the enemy from a distance, changing the way war was waged. Now they're in the hands of civilians, who are taking photos and videos. But in the UK, the focus has turned to how drones could transform healthcare logistics, flying life-saving medical packages to isolated areas.
It's fantastic when you speak to people on the ground and they go, oh, this is a trip which usually takes me 6, 12, 24 hours to move a product between A and B, and we can do it in 15 minutes. There's a huge amount of satisfaction with that.
When the pandemic arrived, UK-based company Skyports was already looking into how they could expand their drone delivery business.
Something we've been working on for just about over a year. Working through the technology, it's new technology, so it takes a lot of putting together, working through regulatory challenges. But then COVID hit and we had a real acceleration in that part of the business, because we managed to get through regulatory processes in no less safer way, but a much quicker way.
In April, the team started working with the UK National Health Service, known as the NHS, and the Civil Aviation Authority to trial a drone delivery service between the Lorne and Islands Hospital in Oban on the Scottish mainland and to the Mull and Iona Community Hospital on the Isle of Mull. As the head of Skyports operations, Alex Brown has to work out all the logistics.
We work with some of the world's best drone manufacturers to basically bring their drones in. We up-spec them to a level where we're happy flying them beyond visual line of sight, we call them, and then we operate them for the benefit of our customers, basically. So for a recent project we did up in Scotland, working with the National Health Service, delivering COVID-19 medical cargo, we worked with a company called Wingcopter. They're a company based in Germany. They make what's called a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing fixed wing drone, which can go about 100 kilometres and carry about 6 kilograms. And we work with them to operate their drones for the benefit of the NHS.